everyone, this is me Vivian here in Hairstyle channel, and today's video is a very special video, especially about Halloween. So I will show you how to get ready, how to do your hair in an easy way, color it without actually coloring your hair. And this, I've seen it, everyone is using it also online, in TikTok, everywhere. So I'm gonna show you how I do it if I want to get ready for a concert or party, birthday parties, or of course Halloween. And they are everywhere, you can buy them. So it's any eyeshadows. I'm using today eyeshadow, but I should say they are the powdery oily one, so don't use a dry one because it will not go in your hair. So I'm using the one who are more oily, so the hair will take it in. Like I said before, the hair is like a sponge, so it takes everything in. So I will show you. I have those colors today. You can, like I said, you can get any design you want. So I have those. I'm using today the winey one, so it depends which designer you like. There are different kind of designer, but I have, as you see, the matte one and the shimmery one. So it depends which one you like the most, the shimmery or the matte. So I'm gonna use all of them. I'm gonna show you piece after piece. And I should say I have here extensions, so they're real hair, so you can use them on real hair. Don't use it on synthetic. You can do that, but synthetic will never get it in, because real hair is more like a sponge. Synthetic is more like plastic dry, so it will not go in. You can first like put some gel on and then apply them on synthetic hair, so you have more chance it will stay in the hair. But definitely I would say use it on real hair, not synthetic hair. Okay, let's get started. I will go with a purple one. So this is the matte purple one. What you actually do, you can apply it on your finger and pull it, but you can also take a piece of hair and then like put the hair in on the place, and then just I should say don't go underneath, you go on the top, so you need to see it. So you go from here, you put it on and push your finger. I don't know if you can see it. Push your finger on there and then just go down with it. So make sure you do this, and then, and I should say if you have like blonde hair, you will see it better. So choose the color will suits the blonde hair. You can see already going in. Wow. That's perfect. You can see that. So this was my first piece. So this is the lovely, it's the matte purple one. See, it's really nice. It is. I'm starting in the back, so we can go from there to the front, so you can see the colors better. So this is the matte one. If I do this, you can see it's going down. I usually spray with hair lacquer after, just to make sure it stays in the hair. So that was the first one. This color. So this is the purple one. I will go here with orange. Okay, again, like I said, we want to see it on the top, so you can push your finger, put it on the top, push your finger on it, and just go down. Okay, you see some colors, they take it in one time very fast, but I usually go like 2 or 3 times just to make sure we get the right color amount we want. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yes, perfect. So that's the beautiful purple one. And this one. Okay, we continue with the other colors. For the dark blue, I think I will take it all the way here in the front, because I have the darker purple here. I'm gonna go here with this one. Yes, just again, you put it on the hair and just pull and pull. It matches actually my roots. If you see, I have dark roots, so I'm gonna go a bit more further to the roots and just pull it down. Okay, don't touch your skin, be careful. Oops. No problem, you can see it. You can take that after. See, this is perfect. Oh yeah. Very good. Perfect, yes. Okay, so like I said, this is my hair. This is the real hair, also extensions, but I can like pull one more here down, so it goes down. So you have dark roots, and I'll go like one more. I will take the extension. You can like do, see that this is real hair, so it's gonna take it in. So you can see it's like going all the way, and just not too much. Just, you can also do this, so it colors better. Perfect, very nice. Yes, so it can blend in also very nice. Yeah. So for the shimmery one now, the purple shimmery, the purple and the green. Wait, let me show you the green one on this side. The green shimmery. You can also wear gloves if you want to, but to be honest, with one wash it will go away. Like I said, after I finish, I will spray with hair lacquer to make it stay in my hair. Very nice. Okay, let's go here. I will use the shimmery one here. And again on the top. And wow, that's a nice color. Beautiful. And make sure you get the roots. Beautiful. I love it. Okay. Okay, make sure you don't get it on your face. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god, yes. Perfect. Okay, so let's go to the next one. I will go more to the roots. I'm gonna take that also. And yes. Perfect. Very nice. It doesn't matter. Anyways, it's Halloween, so you're gonna look perfect for Halloween. Okay, so then we go to the next one. And I will take a lighter color. Go for the light green. You can do it here. And then again, push it, pull it. I'm taking a bigger one, a bigger piece of hair, so you can see it also more. Yes, and like I said, you just go a few more time over the hair. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. This is like how you call it, like the neon colors. I like this one. Yeah, it's the apple green, more beautiful. So you have the purple, I think the green one. This is really nice, but it looks very dark, but it's okay, not bad. So yeah, you can see changing colors. Can go one here, maybe down under. Oh, beautiful. You see the dark and the green, really nice. Yeah, I think it's perfect. It's really easy to do, really easy to apply. And again, if you have blonde hair, you see the colors better. Let's do the matte purple one on this side here, underneath. I have one. Oh, I can put it here also. Wait, let's go here. Doesn't matter. If it's Halloween, you can look good also with this on your face. So see, this is very nice color too. Wow. So if you like pinky colors, beautiful. And then we go one here underneath. That's really nice. So you can actually blend them. And again, this is real hair. So real hair extensions. So I think it's perfect like that. Maybe one dark one here, just to balance it. As we have dark here and dark green. And oh yeah, I like the glitters in it. Maybe if I took it like more in the back, the glittery one. Glittery purpley one. Yes. Let's do it here. Oh yes. Very nice. The shimmery one, I should say they are more oily than the other one, so make sure you go a few times, so you make sure you get it all over the hair. Yes, I think it's perfect like this. And yeah, now we spray hair lacquer on it, because with the hair lacquer it can stay perfect in the hair, like it will blend it in and you can dance with it if you go for big party like birthday party. But Halloween, definitely this is really nice for that. Let me spray some hair lacquer and then you can see the result. Ta-da. Just in the hair. Perfect. So like you see, I'm just doing that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna take them one by one, just spray them individually, just to make sure I have lacquer on there. And you see they can get together, like the hair go together here. So let me know which color you like the most, like which color you love the most. And it's really easy. You can, I'm taking them individually so they look more like natural. Green, shiny one. I think it's perfect. Okay, for me, I'll definitely take this. Can just like, you see how easy it goes, and then you just blend your makeup in like usual with your own makeup. But again, if you go on Halloween, you don't need to do this. You can just leave it because everyone will look like Halloween lady. So yeah, this is perfect. I really like the idea. It's really easy, and I thought I'll show you how you can really look good going to a party. Easy and simple. You can of course apply more, like if you want different colors, even more, and if you want them like more colors, like more, so you can see them, I'll definitely go a few more time over it, like 4 or 5 times, just to make sure it's blend in perfectly in the hair. So yeah, this is my easy tutorial how to do your hair for Halloween or birthday party. Easy and simple. Hopefully the green is really nice, the dark. So yeah, this is how I do it. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Hopefully it will help you to get through Halloween and maybe some birthday parties. When you like more colors, you can also go for one color. So yeah, you can choose the colors, and again, you should have put it on real hair. If you do synthetic, put first hair lacquer and then spray hair lacquer and then pull the powder, the eyeshadows through your hair, well, through the synthetic hair, and then again apply hair lacquer so it go in the hair, because synthetic hair, it can slip away everything, it can not hold. So this is real hair, these are real hair extensions, so when you put it through it takes it in better, because again the real hair is like a sponge, so it takes everything in. Well, this is me, Vivian, here in Hairstyle channel. If you like my video, please give it a thumb up. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And I will say goodbye for now. You will see me in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Ciao.